keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hello guys, it's another Christmas vlog for me, and today I'm going to be wrapping my presents for my friends and my colleagues at work. To those who are new in this channel, I'm actually an ICU nurse and I love my job, and that's what I do for a living. So that's me, and to everyone who watches my videos, thank you so much, and to everyone who follow and subscribe to my channel, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. These are my presents for my friends. It's something that I like, so hopefully they also like it.
This holiday with you. Tomorrow it is.
These items are not expensive. It's actually very affordable. However, it has to be something that I like and I appreciate. So, for example, just the packaging, it's really beautiful. And inside, it's a bar of soap. And it smells nice. Another one is winter flower scent. Just the packaging. Wow. Oh wow, the smell is amazing. The brand is Grandma Wild since 1899, and these are actually cookies. But look at the tin. Isn't it pretty? Again, it's cookies inside. I also have the shortbread. Again, just the tin I love. A Peter Rabbit tea collection. And the tin. English fine tea. Pretty. I love. Look. And the smell is also nice. I think this is for myself. I love it. I just love it. And it has a bell. I really like it. And look at it inside. It's red. For my family friends, I decided to buy this Family Circle McFight. So it's all cookies and biscuits inside. I also have this stuff from my colleagues at work. Like this one. Like this one. I'm going to make the hamper now. Inside the hamper, I'm going to put this luxury cracker collection. Belgian chocolate and orange butter fudge. All butter fudge. Dates. Crisp. Malt punch, so this is not alcoholic. Banoffee spread. Christmas spice chutney. So it's gonna go in this basket here. It comes with this plastic and this bit here. Put it like that. Maybe that goes down there. There.
Underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around,
I'll do it the simple way first, then I'll do the complicated one later. Only because I don't have time. I have about 6 of these. And this all needs to be wrapped.
making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my
Landscapes will go in this sack, and I used this last year as well.
And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby.
So far this is Lance gifts, but it's not enough. It needs to be filled. I ran out of wrappers, so I need to buy more. So I have a different one, and then I bought some of these milk trays. I have about 6 boxes. It's only 5 o'clock in the afternoon and it's very dark.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories.
3 to go. I'm getting fast. Because I've run out of wrapper, I'm going to be using this one. And I will start wrapping this.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
Finally, the last gift. It's 8:45 in the evening and I'm really tired now.
And the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow
Finally, I managed to wrap all my Christmas presents. I have one Christmas hamper. This one is for Lance. I like the way I did this one.
myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week.
Finally, I'm done wrapping the Christmas presents and I'm going to show you my DIY advent calendar. Hi guys, today I'm going to wrap the presents that's gonna go in this advent calendar. This is for Lance. He wanted chocolate, so I had to buy anything with chocolate flavor. The box is so tiny, as you can see. So what I've done, I put that piece of paper inside that says brownies, and here is the brownie. For December 2nd, inside it says macaroons, and here's my box of chocolate flavored macaroons. So I had to collect 25 of anything that Lance liked. Dairy Milk, Ferrero, Belgian chocolate, the raspberry macaroons, a dark chocolate Java cake from Mark & Spencer, a shortcake with some Belgian milk chocolate, butter biscuit with some milk chocolate again, Kit Kat, Oreo, Dairy Milk, Cadbury, Aero chocolate, Bournville, Twin Peaks. Oh, I have Haribo for a change. Oh, the kind chocolates. Just chocolate biscuits. Snickers. M&M. Mini Oreo. Snowy Fingers, Cadbury. And another milk tray chocolate from Cadbury's. So these are all for the advent calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under.
It's gonna go here. The first day is done, second day is done as well, and the third day. Now let's continue with the fourth day. I think I'm gonna go for Dairy Milk.
But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
December 4th. And I'll just say 4.
making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
No, 21, 22, 23, 12 instead of 24, so I have 212. That's bad. Take it back. What happened? And this is Lance's Christmas gifts for the Advent calendar. Everything is now wrapped. It's all in the wicker basket now, and I'm gonna wrap it with this ribbon.
Oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, oh. La 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 la, oh, oh.
Open your Advent calendar. Yeah, because that's 24 pieces. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Hi guys, it's almost Christmas now.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.